Very good morning to one and all. At the outset, I would like to introduce myself. I am GVR Murthy. I am working as lecturer in soft skills in Aditya Degree College for Women, Kakinada. I did my BE Metallurgical Engineering from AU College of Engineering, Visakhapatnam. I earned my postgraduate diploma in Communication Soft Skills from Geetham University, Visakhapatnam. I achieved my ELTA certification from IFLU Hyderabad, BEC certification from British Council Chennai, and HITS certification from Wipro Mission 10X Bangalore. Very recently, I have been awarded a gold medal and a silver medal from IIT Madras for my excellent performance in NPTEL English Language for Competitive Examinations and NPTEL Technical English for Engineers. I started my teaching career in 1999. I have 20 years of rich experience in teaching English for several competitive examinations such as GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, GMAT, Cambridge ESOL, CAT, MAT, Campus Recruitment Training, ISET, Banks, RRB, SSC, LIC, CDS, NDA, GATE, IES, and PSU examinations. In this video, I would like to describe you some of the most commonly asked one-word substitutions. Bureaucracy, ruled by government officers. Aristocracy, ruled by top-class people. Autocracy, ruled by a single person. Monocracy, ruled by a single person. Plutocracy, ruled by rich people. Meritocracy, ruled by intelligent people. Gerontocracy, ruled by old people. Genocracy, ruled by foreigners. Democracy, ruled by people. Patriarchy, ruled by men. Matriarchy, ruled by women. Oligarchy, ruled by a few people. Monarchy, ruled by a single person. Autarky, ruled by a single person. Malefactor, one who gives negative impacts, one who causes ill effects. Benefactor, one who causes positive effects. I can say the God is the greatest benefactor of mankind. Beneficiary, one who gets positive results, one who gets positive effects or impact. Maleficiary, one who gets negative impact or negative effects. Coalition, union of political parties. Contraband, illegal trade or smuggling. Hypertension, high BP. Hypotension, low BP. Hyperglycemia, high blood sugar. Hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Monotony, the state of having no creativity. I can use monotony as a noun form. If I take the adjective monotonous, it's an adjective. Monotonous meaning is without any creativity. This word has got excellent synonyms in English language like banal, hackneyed, commonplace, trite, platitudic, bromidic, mundane, mediocre. Excellent words are there. Noun entity, a worthless person or object. Pandemonium, a bitter quarrel. Compendium, a brief and comprehensive summary. I can use some synonyms like abstract, synopsis, gist, essence, epitome. Philanthropy, love of mankind. Theism, belief in the God. Atheism, disbelief in the God, lack of belief in the God. Reminiscences, the most important recollections. Franchise, right to vote, or you can say an organization authorized by another organization, that's called franchise. Cipher, secret code. foliage, destruction of plants, avarice, greed for wealth, patriotism, love for nation, acrimony, rudeness of speech. The word acrimony is a noun. I will take the adjective form of this word. I can say acrimonious. Acrimonious means making a rude speech. The word acrimonious has got excellent synonyms like acerbic, acrid, acidulous, bitter, pungent, caustic, sarcastic, satirical, sardonical, ironical, pasquinadic, mordant, and vitriolic. Excellent word. Fortitude, the strength of mind or the balance of mind. It has got some synonyms like aplomb, poise, and composure. Tenure, the period of time. Magnate, a rich person. Tycoon, a rich person. Chronicle, report, calendar or report. Herald, agent or messenger. Monastery, a place for keeping monks. Convent, a place for keeping nuns, a place where nuns live. Nunnery, a place where nuns live. Communique, official declaration or announcement. Critic, one who makes a comment. Critic, the thorough and comprehensive evaluation of the performance of a person. I can say one important synonym called appraisal. APPRAISAL, appraisal. Testimony, promise. Patron, supporter. Patronage, support. Adversity, unfortunate event. I can say some synonyms like calamity, misfortune, melancholy, catastrophe, disaster, mishap, mischance, misadventure. Promenade, slow and comfortable walking. Mutiny, a great revolution. I can use some synonyms like revolution, rebellion, revolt, insurgence, insurrection, recrudescence, and upsurgence. Progeny, the people of next generation. I can use some synonyms like offspring, descendant, successor, and heir. Progenitor, the people of previous generation. Posterity, the people of future generations. Pragmatist, a practical person, one who thinks everything very practically. That kind of person is called pragmatist. Hardliner, a stubborn person. The word stubborn is very, very important in English language. It has got excellent synonyms such as dour, dogged, dogmatic, persistent, sullen, tenacious, pertinacious, obdurate, obstinate, intractable, unruly, refractory, bigoteric, intransigent, mulish, recalcitrant, and obstreperous. Wonderful word, hardliner. A stubborn person is called hardliner. Brigade, a person holding an official rank in the Indian defense is called a brigade. Confrontation, the act of facing a problem. Confrontation is a noun. Confront is a verb. Confront meaning is to face any tough situation. Rapport, a close contact or relation. Strategy means the skill of managing an affair is called strategy. Fang, poisonous teeth of a snake. Groundswell, the most exaggerated approval from the public is called groundswell. Coalition, the union of political parties. Protégé, a country or a person who is protected by others. Protectorate, a country under the protection of another country. Stewardship, meaning is a leadership. Steward, one who leads a country or something, one who leads an organization or a country is called steward. Stewardship meaning is a leadership. Faction, a small group of people. Hound, a rude person. Vestiges, traces, or signs of past existence. Dignitary, an important person. Signatory, one who is authorized to put the signature. Confession, the act of admitting our own fault. Confession is a noun. Confess is a verb. Confess meaning is to admit our mistake. Swing time, the most important time at the time of a great, right? I can say swing time, the time of a great prosperity and richness is called swing time. Slump, the condition of slowdown. Recession, economic slowdown. Con man, a wicked person, one who tries to play many tricks in order to deceive others. This word has got excellent synonyms in English language called deceptive, tricky, cunning, wicked, flagrant, glaring, scandalous, nefarious, perfidious, insidious, deceptive, tricky, flagitious, errant, and wily, W-I-L-Y, wily. This wonderful word, conman. A man who tries to deceive others, a man who tries to play many tricks to deceive others. Facade, the front part of a building. Base, a thick woolen cloth. Ambush, the troops lying in wait to make a secret attack is called ambush. Ambuscade, a sudden attack. Ammunition, explosive material. Afforestation, the act of planting the forests. Deforestation, the act of cutting the plants and forests. Commuter, one who makes a to and fro travel. Consul, a person who looks after the welfare of the people of his country in a foreign country. Consulate, an office which looks after the people of his country in a foreign country. Imperception, the gradual decay of soil. Erosion, the gradual decay of soil. Hiatus, a gap in a series. Accepts, the most important points, we use the word accepts of the interview. Grievance, causes of protest and complaint. Portfolio, the important designation. Officiation, the act of holding an office. Starvation, the act of suffering from hunger. Transposition, the act of changing the position. Frieze, ornamental band or decoration on a wall. Etiquette, the systematic procedure. Oblivion, the state of being totally forgotten. Tapestry, wall cloth for the purpose of decoration. Jargon, a special language. Anagram, a word formed by changing the order of letters of the word. Example, I take the word BAT batch, TAB tab. These two are called anagrams. BUT but, TUB tub. These two words are called anagrams. Palindrome, a word that remains unaltered even after reversing the letters of the word. This kind of word is called palindrome. Example, MADAM, madam. Malayalam, MALAYALAM. Another word, liral, LIRIL, liral. These three are the best examples for palindromes. Portmanteau, a bird which is obtained by the combination of two words. Example, breakfast plus lunch equal to brunch. Mechanical plus electronics equal to mechatronics. Millennium, period of 1000 years. Maelstrom, a violent and disturbing action. Whirlpool, center of turbulence. Egalitarian, one who seeks social and political equality. Dirge, song sung at a burial ground for a dead person. Knell, a funeral bell. Ambassador, a representative of a country. Envoy, the diplomatic agent or messenger next below the rank of an ambassador. Sage, a wise person. Seer, one who looks into the future, one who can visualize the future. Saga, an important story. Anecdote, a short and interesting story. Parable, a small story that teaches a moral. Spoonerism, transposition of initial letters of the word, spoonerism. Overture, approach made with the aim of having a discussion. Hegemony, domination of one country over another country. Semblance, balance of mind, I can say aplomb, poise, composure, and fortitude. Subservience, a bitter quarrel. Coronation, the act of offering some honor or felicitation. Concourse, a group of people, a large group of people. Carnival means festival. Confluence, the act of meeting at a point. conflicts, a large flow of people, tapestry, wall cloth for the purpose of decoration, prologue, introduction to a speech, prelude, introduction to an event or a happening or an occurrence, preamble, introduction to a book, we may also call it as preface or foreword, dalliance, the act of walking very unsteadily, beckon, something that indicates a particular direction, albino, a person or an animal with no definite and special characteristics, blizzard, a severe snowstorm, alumni, old students of an educational institution, boulder, a big rock, brawl, muscular strength, we can say sturdiness, protestation, right? An open declaration. I would like to make a protestation. You can use the word pronouncement, official declaration or announcement. Predicament, the most difficult condition. I can say juncture, precipice, polite, stymie, and ordeal. They are the synonyms of the word. Dungeon, a dark cell. Cache, hiding place. Cubicle, a small chamber used for sleeping. Expanse, a large area. Garrison, a fortified area occupied by the defense forces. A lullaby, a song sung by a fond mother to console her crying child. Orchard, an agricultural land. Orchid, a cruel person. Orgies, the occasions of the happiest moment. Grove, a large group of trees. Thank you very much.